Today it is time to leave Chengdu, but we are not leaving China just yet. Later today we are getting a 2.5-hour flight to Shanghai.
Let's go.
And after just over an hour in a taxi, we have made it to the airport.
This airport is huge. Honestly, it's massive. I don't know, because on the other side there's another building, same size as this one, and this one is already massive. So I think this one here is for domestic flights and the other one is for international.
But they do have a lot of self-check-in bag machines. Let's check in our bags and see how easy it is. Never mind, we're flying with Hainan Air, so we got a queue. Alright, bag check-in was actually really quick, and I like when you can check in your bags really early. So far so good with this airport experience. And now it's through to security, which I imagine they're going to be really strict on. So there's how many gates?
252.
252
Crazy.
gates, but this is just the domestic terminal. That is absolutely insane.
Yeah.
So we are gate 250 or something, so we might have a long way to walk, but we're gonna grab some food first.
I also honestly think this is the biggest airport we've ever been.
Wow, very smooth. They had 30 security gates open as well.
Wow.
That's insane. Surprisingly, for an airport this big, there are not that many options for food, just a couple of restaurants. So we have gone for this dish, which is beef and tomato.
And rice noodles?
Rice noodles.
Yeah. And the cooked egg, right? Or
I think that's a pickled egg.
Oh.
And it looks very questionable.
You gotta try it, I guess.
Got ourselves a cheeky little ice cream and heading to the gate. Not it being last call.
Are we the last ones?
Is it just in Europe that they board planes really late? Because we are like so early. But we made it. We got extra leg room seats, and our seat number was 31, so I thought we were like way back at the back on a really big plane, but no, we're right behind first class, which maybe one day we'll get to fly, but for now, absolutely delighted.
Yeah, amazing.
It's going to be the quickest 2.5 hours. The little things.
That's true.
We have to finish our ice cream just before last call.
And download the newest episodes of The Rookie.
Yes, we are obsessed with The Rookie, so life is good. It is now midnight and we have finally landed in one of China's largest cities. And now it's always the worry, have our bags landed as well, so fingers crossed.
Yeah, we were lucky so far, so I hope that the lucky strike continues.
Yeah, we've been so lucky.
First one. Nice, number 2.
And our look continues. And we have made it to our hotel room, so I thought I'd give a quick little room tour. So this is what 31 euro night can get you here in Shanghai. So it's definitely the more expensive place we've stayed in China so far, but I guess it makes sense. But yeah, let's show you around. We'll start in the bathroom, which starts out as another very questionable door with some very questionable mirrors all around, so you can see right through. And in here is the bathroom. Pretty standard. You've got your shower, toilet, sink. Seems pretty clean, so we'll head back out here. It is a small enough room, but we do have a full-size mirror. We have a little desk area and a TV. And you may be fooled into thinking, we have a lovely big window, but in fact, it's a wall. Surprise, surprise. But anyway, last but not least, we'll do the bed test. It actually looks super comfy, especially those pillows. So let's give it a go. Oh yeah. That's very comfortable, very nice. We'll definitely get a good night's sleep tonight because it is almost 2 a.m. So it's been a long travel day. And we're gonna end the video here. So make sure to tune in tomorrow and see what we get up to on day 1 here in Shanghai.
And please give this video a like and a comment or share it. It means a lot to our channel and it helps us to grow. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.
Bye.